Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace the charging port board on the Xiaomi Redmi 9A mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray, and then follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, create a gap near the charger port or SIM slot using a picker or car pry tool. And then, by using a car pry tool, gently move around the phone to release the plastic clips on the frame. Take out the back cover and then remove the board cover by undoing 11 screws. Next, disconnect the battery plug. Next, take out the speaker cover by undoing 8 screws. Next, disconnect the secondary LCD plug and the antenna head from the charging port board. Next, loosen the adhesive on the vibrator motor and then undo the screw on the board. Next, take out the not working charging port board from the body. Next, secure the new charging port board in the frame. Next, secure the LCD plug, antenna head and screw into the board. And also the vibrator mode adhesive. Next, secure the speaker cover by adding 8 screws. Next, secure the battery plug. Next, secure the board frame by adding 11 screws. Finally, snap in the back cover and then run through the sides to secure the clips, and also at the SIM tray. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.